26. He's 18. We originally do this, and we also sleep. We can do the gold rush on the slideshows. We can do it on the show. We could do ST Math, Raz Kids, Typing Club to get better on our typing. You could on iPads. You could do Telegami, Sock Puppet, Book Creator, and a lot of more apps. This is a slideshow.
A slide?
We're going through it, or we're checking every single detail. We also, when kids need us, we just go over there, solve the problem, because usually there's a lot of problems during the slideshow, Telegami, or just anything. So we have to go there and help them out.
What I'm working on is a website that helps you for your writing and your grammar. That you get to learn how to be a good writer.
In open house, we're gonna use the computers and we're gonna show our parents what we have done in school with chromebooks. I'm gonna present it to the class and other students.
Do you think your parents will get to see it?
Yeah, they will also get to see it.
Are you proud to show it to them?
Yes.
So, what do you guys think about the technology in the classroom?
It's awesome.